Obed McCoy given the job once again and will feel quite comfortable. What you make sure of here is just no extras. Make sure that you're not going over the line. Don't go outside the tram lines.
They would have played against each other. They would have faced, he would have faced this. 5-1-3, we need 5-1-8. This is big. This is huge. Another 100 club. Look at this, 101 meters, top tier, thank you.
Wow, what a hit. Oh, man, he didn't want to turn around, Obed McCoy, he knew straight away. Oh, man, that's some shot. Right, here goes. Obed McCoy, Rodman Powell. Where is it? Where is it? It's gone for six as well! Oh, wow! 2 out of 2! The smiles are gone!
He couldn't, could he? He couldn't. Yes, he can. Why can't he? Look at this. He goes wide. He goes full. Powell says it goes for 6. How far's it gone? It doesn't matter. Kuldeep has the best seat in the house, and I think Graham Swan is so right. What he was trying to say is the bowler is thinking, how on earth am I not going to go for 6?
Oh my goodness. Oh, can you see it? Can you feel it? Because we can up here. Rodman Powell, 2 out of 2. Obed McCoy, he closed it out the other night. Here we go again. 24 for 4.
Every single Rajasthan player is now talking. They want to have a word with the bowler.
Oh, that is high as well. That is high. That is very tight. Rodman's looking for it. I reckon he's got a point as well. It's flown away another 98 metres this time. And it's just white noise for the bowler. Absolute white noise. Cannot think straight. Too many people giving him information. DC screaming for the no ball.
Graham Swan, white noise. Never mind the white noise, the noise of the stadium as well. The noise in terms of teammates coming to have a chat to say, what are you going to bowl? Now, there is an issue about the no ball.
This is not good. This is not good. This is not good at all, Pommy. The umpires are there to make a decision, and you stick with the umpires.
Yeah, you have to go with the umpires. You have to.
Yeah, this is dissent. This isn't football. This is cricket.
You've got to go with them. And yes, in the end, you might not get a decision such as live. It goes that way. I'm pretty sure.
You cannot send somebody onto the field.
No.
It's a 50-50. You cannot send anybody onto the field. These are scenes. And these are not good scenes. This is not cricket.
Yeah, what are you doing on the field? Why are you coming onto the field? You can't change the umpire's decision. You never will.
The problem here for DC, they've got the upper hand. They've hit these first 3 balls. Yes, it's still a long shot, but they've lost the momentum now.
100%. 100%. 100%. You cannot. The game was okay. The game was fine. It was going well. He was doing it. Yes, it was unlikely. but you can't then try and wrench the game from the officials and officiate it yourself. Oh man, what about these fans who are in here? You spoil the moment for them as well. Let's try and get back to it. You see?
There's the ball he needed, there's the ball he wanted. The momentum, you guys have talked about momentum. They lost the momentum there, you're quite right. The ball still went for 6. The pressure was on the bowler.
Well, they're only going to get 2. I think the major issue from DC was the fact that they believed it should have been referred upstairs. It was just never referred, not that it wasn't given. And that has really cast a dark shadow over this game.
It's fair enough that you may think that the umpires made a decision that's not right, but you can't then try and stop the game to try and get him to change it. The final delivery of the match. Up it goes into the air. Sanju Samson takes the catch. And oh, we've had a close one here. I said before at the start of this over, 36 they needed to win the Delhi Capitals, that it would hurt that they got so close. The Rajasthan Royals win by 15 runs.